In the latest book released by Jay Shetty, The 8 Rules of Love, he asked these few questions to try to learn something new about your loved one or to see a side of them you haven't seen yet. What's something you love to do? Do you have a favorite place? Is there a book or a movie you have read or seen more than once? What is occupying your thoughts most at the moment? What's something you wish you knew more about? What's the best meal you've ever had? Today, let us try to ask these questions to ourselves. We think we know ourselves very well. The answers to this might surprise you. Today, let's know ourselves a bit better.